like it's pushed, and you can do the finances, you can do finance operations on the order when it's pushed. So in order to get everything here paid, there needs to be certain operations in the system. For example, the first public service fee is a duplicate of actual service fee. It gets paid whenever driver collects the money from the sender or recipient, depending on the order parameter. And there is cash on delivery, which will always be picked up from, the recipient, always. So if when you deliver these things, when you make this delivered with any driver, this and this will become paid, not in this panel. So let's try. So let's do pickup first in order for the public service fee to be collected. Picked up drivers warehouses. And now if you look at the order, yeah, it's paid. Now we can deliver it. So let's make it delivered. Now if you look at it, it's 8 and 100 is collected. This one doesn't get collected until you settle everything. So let's settle everything with this client. Now we need to pay 100 back to him, and we need to just deduct our 8 from his 100, or just send him an invoice for him to pay. So we can get the order number, go to finance, and you see, if you look at the order now, it's collected. So we need to collect it, move it to the cashier. So collect the money from the driver as a cashier. So in order to do that, we go to the driver's liability, find John Driver. It was John Driver, yeah. Oh, there we just need to work with one order only, right? So we're getting this order from the driver and moving it to the cashier, both of the funds, right? 100 COD, 8 public service charge. So now if you go back to the finance orders and find that exact order, it's in the Viz cashier tab. So now we can make a transfer back to the customer so that it will get moved to the paid. So we'll just go to the finance settlement, find the customer, which is Ivan Grozny. Ivan Grozny, and there is only one order. We can confirm this transfer. So our public charge is 8 and COD is 100, and the process date today. Withdraw type is, let's say it's cash, and note is we are transferring or something. You can write. So it will be reported, like in the report there will be a note on the date. So now our finance settlement has been done, created. We can just go to the customer COD transfers to approve that transfer. So there is one transfer for Ivan Grozny. So it's in the pending. We will approve this, or we can just directly complete it clicking on this pen button. Let's just complete it. Reference is, let's say, something, and date is today, and submit. So now we paid 100 back to the customer, and also we can say, like, if let's say we took 8, like this 8 is paid back to us, or we are deducting that money when we are paying it back. When this 8 is settled with the recipient or the customer, we can make it as paid. So everything is paid now. If we go to the order, you can see everything is paid. So 100 will send back to the Ivan Grozny, and 8, grabbed for the courier company. So that's all. That's all about the finance.